my name is Rashmi and I live in Delhi. So I have done my graduation in BBA for Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, and I have recently completed my MBA in Marketing and International Business from IP University Delhi itself. And currently I am pursuing my digital marketing certificate with the Digital Vidya. So when I was studying my MBA in marketing, I get to learn about digital marketing as one of my subjects, and it took my interest at the very best point of time. So I tried to look forward for it, and the knowledge I was getting there was just theoretical. So I was looking forward for the practical ones. So I started looking for digital marketing certifications, and yeah, that took my interest. So yeah, while I was doing my research for the best institutes, so I got to see the ad, one of the advertisement on search engines for Digital Vidya. I visit the website, learn about CDMM course they were teaching, and join their master class. So after I joined the master class, I was very certain that I want to continue my journey with Digital Vidya. It was a great journey. The trainers are really experienced, and their experience let us learn a lot of things, especially practically, which was my main concern. Apart from trainers, the course itself is really great, and the coordinators are really good as well. I have completed my 4 modules that you can say, and I have received Google certifications for search engine marketing, search engine optimizations, and also HubSpot certification for email marketing and web analytics, inbound marketing as well.